Hello everyone, myself Kashish Talwani and I welcome you back to my channel Simplifying Business Studies. So this is going to be part 10 of chapter 2 of class 11th Forms of Business Organizations. In our previous lesson we studied about merits and demerits of partnership. So this is going to be a continuing video which will help you understand the different types of partnership firms and what is the meaning of partnership deed. So let us quickly start this session. So let us understand the different types of partnership. So this division, this bifurcation is basically made on the basis of liability of the partners. First one being general partnership, which we have already discussed so far. So this is the partnership where liability of all the partners is unlimited. That means the asset of the firm, if are not enough to pay off the debts in case of any losses to the firm, the personal property of the partners will be utilized to pay off those debts. So this is general partnership. And in this case, like each partner can participate in the activities of the firm. Here, if there is no profit sharing ratio decided among the partners, the profits will be shared equally by all the partners despite of what they have contributed as their capital. So this is actually all what we have studied about partnership so far. So this is general partnership. Another one which is absolutely new for all of you is limited liability partnership. So this is one partnership firm in which liability of all the partners except one is limited. So there is only one partner who has unlimited liability and the other partners, all the other partners other than this one partner will have limited liability. So this kind of partnership is known as limited partnership because of this very fact. In India, limited partnership was introduced by enacted Limited Partnership Act 2008. So let us understand the features of this kind of partnership. One partner with unlimited liability, this is what I have already explained. Other partners, these are other partners who have limited liability. They are called as limited partners or special partners. Here, the participation in the management is not allowed to the special partners, but they can inspect the account. So all these partners with limited liability, they have no participation into the business. So this is another new feature of limited liability partnership. But yes, they can come ahead and they can see how business is going on. Okay, how will they do that? They will do that by inspecting the accounts, and this is in their authority to inspect the accounts. Next one, death, insolvency, insanity of special partners does not affect the existence of firm. So if one of these special partners dies or becomes insolvent, or if they are not able to continue the business, all these things will not affect the existence of the firm. The firm will still exist. Okay, how will the firm exist? The firm will exist with the partners who are having unlimited liability. So this is limited liability partnership. Now, next topic to understand in this particular session is what is partnership deed. So this is a very important topic. I'm sure you will be utilizing the information you will get here in your other subjects also. So let us quickly understand what is partnership deed. So partnership deed is a document containing all the terms and conditions of the partnership firm. So basically it is a written document which has everything which is of any importance to the firm, any importance to the existence of firm, any importance to the partners of the firm will be there. So what is the usability of this document? This document will be more usable when there are conflicts between the partners. So the whatever is written in this document will be utilized, will be used to sort out the conflicts between the partners. So what is included in partnership deed? It will include the name of the firm, very obviously, name and details of all the partners, date of commencement of business, like when the business business started, duration of firm's existence, like how long the business has been existing, if it is prepared after a certain time the business has started. Okay, what is the amount of capital contributed by each partner? What is their profit or loss sharing ratio? This is very important. What is the interest of capital payable to the partner? So basically capital is the loan to the business by the owners of the business, in this case through the partners of the business. So business pays certain amount as interest on capital to the partners. So this is an amount which is an expense for the business and it is a kind of income for the partners. So what is the amount of interest a business pays to its partner has also to be considered. So this is mentioned in partnership deed. Extent of borrowing, each partner can borrow. So there is a provision that business can also give loans to its partner. So to what extent a partner can borrow from the firm will be decided here. What is the amount of salary payable to the partners by the firm? What is the procedure if someone is willing to admit or retire a partner? Okay, so everything has to be decided on a prior basis so that there will be no conflicts further. What methods will be used to calculate goodwill? So goodwill is one thing which you will definitely understand in detail when you will move to class 12th. So preparation of accounts, how will the accounts of the firm will be maintained? What methods will be there for certain kind of things which are to be calculated? So these are the things which need consideration. Mode of settlement of dues with the deceased partners executors. If some partner dies, then how will the partner's executor will get the amount which he owes to the firm? So the procedure followed in case of disputes arise between partners. So if there is any dispute, how will that be resorted? So that procedure can also be mentioned in partnership deed. So this basically is very useful when there is a conflict between the partners. So it is very important for every partnership firm to have this kind of deed, and preferably it should be in a written format. So I am done with the content of this particular video. If you have any doubts related to the topics we have covered, you can always write it in comment box. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions how I can make my work better, you can please write it to me in the comment box or through this email address. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day ahead.